I'm going to introduce you to something I love and use every single day. Yes, I'm talking about Canva. Can you believe that I have been using Canva to edit my videos, design thumbnails and my all other social media handles and much more. And I do it all on Canva. Alright, so in this course, I'll be teaching you everything you need to know from the basics, like how to choose the right fonts and brand color for your content creation, and how to create quick and easy Instagram reels, stories, posts, video ads for social media, YouTube thumbnails, and there is so much more to being a great content creator than just social media. In the last part of the course, you will also learn how to use Canva to create amazing ebooks and how to animate them to share them on social media. Finally, we will also be going through some more advanced techniques for creating captivating videos using ChatGPT and other AI tools to bulk create content within Canva and so much more. This content is perfect for anyone who wants to learn how to create eye-catching content for their own businesses or for their clients. According to a recent study, content creation is the fastest growing form of a small business, and with this skill that you will learn in this course, you will be well on your way to joining other amazing content creators out there on their journey to online business growth. Like I said before, I pretty much live inside of Canva and I can't wait to show you around my home and show you everything that this amazing software has to offer. Okay, so here as you can see, I have opened Canva on my computer. In Canva, you will have the option to sign up for free or have a premium subscription. We are going to start by my free Canva account because as a beginner, you might not have a premium subscription. So I'm gonna teach you Canva by using my free account most of the time. Having said that, I'll be also using my premium account once in a while to show you certain things that are only available in the premium version of the software. Okay, now let's have a look at some options. Over here it will tell you that you can create a document, a whiteboard, presentation, some social media templates, videos, etc. You can also search for something really specific. So for me, for example, if I wanted to create a YouTube thumbnail, I would write here YouTube thumbnail and it will pop up with some ideas over here. And then these over here are the ones that will pop up with lots and lots of different templates. You can also get it in a slightly different way. If you don't really know what you are searching for yet, you just want to browse around. You can head on over to templates and that will bring you to a similar spot where it will have some recommendations over here. There's always a few different ways to get to the same place within Canva. But once you get into it, let's say Instagram stories in this case, you will see hundreds and thousands of templates which can be really overwhelming, especially if you are a beginner. The more that you can actually filter this down by using Canva's own filters, where you can go by price, style, topic, by theme, by feature, by subject, or any of this, you can take things along. You will start to see that it's going to narrow things down. For example, if we were looking for Instagram stories that are free, we now have stories that are free to use. It's a lot better and lot more doable in terms of searching through, or you can use your own keywords. At this stage, let's just go ahead and select a template and then we are going to start customizing it. But before I select the template, I just wanted to point out that you will start to see some crowns like these premium icons in the bottom right hand corner here. And some templates that don't have these, which means they are free for you to use. If they have that crown, it means that they are a pro template. So it will only be available if you are a Canva Pro user. I'm just going to go ahead and select a free template and going to click on customize this template. Now just because we have chosen this particular template at this stage does not mean we are stuck with it. Because we can continue here in the design section over here. We can continue in the templates section to look at more and more templates. We can continuously add new page to this document as well. So I can go ahead and add a new page by clicking here. If I like a different template, I can keep bringing a few different things in here. Now the first thing we want to do is rename our design because we want to make sure we are getting into those really nice habits. Let's name this Instagram story example. Those are all keywords that I might potentially search for in the future that would help me to bring up this particular design, which again is handy if I have got hundreds of different designs just to choose from. Alright, so we are going to navigate around the editor a lot more in the future lessons. I'm going to leave it there for now. And let's switch to a Canva Pro account so I can show you that how some things are different there. I have multiple design on my premium account, so that's why it's showing me my recent designs. Overall, honestly, there is not a huge limitation between Canva Pro and the free version. Probably not something to hugely worry about. If I go over to the search option right here and search for YouTube thumbnails, I will get multiple free templates to choose from. And now I can use all these premium templates as well and don't have to worry about it. Okay, so one of those things will be downloading your images in PNG format with a transparent background. For example, if I was going to try and download this as a PNG with transparent background, I can download this here on premium, but I can't download this on my free account. But I can still download it as a PNG in the correct format without any issues on my free account. I just can't have it be transparent. Now same with the elements. If I was going to search for something like sand and go to photos, on my free account I wasn't able to save or even use stuff that has these pro icons. But on my pro account I am able to use every template and every single element. And one more thing is resizing your designs. You can resize only on the premium subscription. On the free version, you can't resize your design. But we will talk about resizing your design later in the course, not in this video. But overall, you can get around this pretty easily if you are in something like Unsplash and you just download an image from Unsplash and pop it into your upload folder within Canva. The main difference that you will find between these two plans will come down to your workflow, because a lot of social media managers or designers just don't have the time to be pulling assets from other websites and manually changing colors and doing all those sort of things that Canva Pro user have access to. But that's pretty much it. It comes down to speeding up your workflow for the most part. Alright, so that was it for today's video. In the next lesson, we will go over some cool beginner hacks that I want to share with you. See you there.